Hello, my name is Avilash. Welcome to my channel. I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK, and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound, US Dollar. And I'm sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay. So this analysis is for 1st March 2021. That means Monday. Okay, for today only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis, but this analysis is for today only. Okay. So we can see that right now market is trading at 1.3950 level, and if you look at the chart, then things are not very clear to us. Market was in beautiful uptrend, and after that there was a heavy selling pressure, which we can easily see. Okay, and right now market is kind of making higher highs but not convincing. Okay, not at all convincing. So rather we can say that market is in consolidation. Okay, so if you look at the chart, look at the Monday's chart, especially at the 1 hour time frame, then we can say that uh, things are not very clear to us with the British pound US dollar. Okay, so let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and try to find a clear picture. Okay, okay. After switching to the 4 hours time frame, we can see that market is still continuing the uptrend. Okay, market is still continuing the uptrend, and when market was under heavy selling pressure, when the sellers were very dominating in the last trading session, still market managed to took support at the 100 moving average in the 4 hours time frame. And the stochastic RSI is also in the oversold zone. So what you can do today, if you follow the 1 hour time frame, then I'll say that you just wait and watch. Okay, you just wait and watch British pound US dollar 40-day. Okay, or otherwise if you are following this chart or the 4 hours time frame, then you just switch to 4 hour and just you put this 100 MA. Okay, and you can do one thing, you can initiate a buy position somewhere around here. Or if market, see right now though market is taking support at this level, hmm, but the number of red candles are more in comparison to the number of green candles, and we cannot ignore the fact that market has already made big fat few candles, okay, during the previous session. So what shall we do then? Okay, you can initiate a buy position. Okay, initiate a buy position only above 1.4000. Okay, initiate a buy position only above this level. Okay, because we cannot ignore these candles. Okay, this was not something, a normal correction, normal market correction. This was not a normal market correction. The selling pressure is very high, so let the market feel comfortable enough above the 100 period moving average. Let market go up a little, let the market cross this 1.4000 level, and then you can initiate a buy position. Just make sure that that market is comfortable. Okay, just make sure that there is volume. Okay, volume is very much required, okay, to get the confirmation. And if you're using any indicator of your own choice or any pattern or something like that, okay, then you can go ahead, but confirmation is required before placing the buy order, okay, for this chart. And as already mentioned, one in the 1 hour chart, things are not very clear. Okay, so you can initiate a buy position only above 1.4000 level. Okay. Before that, generally what we do, whenever market bounces from a support or a moving average, in a trending market especially, we simply buy. Okay. That kind of trade is very easy. Okay, we also know it. But this is not a similar situation. Okay. So I'll say that only buy above 1.4000 level. Let the market feel comfortable above this support. Okay, so this is the simple analysis for British pound US dollar for Monday 1st March 2021. Okay, if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, because I'll be coming down tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, you can also check out my YouTube website and the playlist also. Okay. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.